Hello humans, Siren here, and in today's video, let's get crafty. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Siren, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can do a simple arts and craft for your mother for Mother's Day using stencils from Stencil Me Pretty. Now, if you don't know what Stencil Me Pretty is, it's this company that they make stencils that you can use for arts and crafts, and they actually sent me these for me to use and demonstrate for you guys on how they work. So I actually got a bunch of these in the mail. I think it'll make a really cute look. What I'm thinking of doing is doing tie-dye. That's why I wore all my tie-dye today. I think I'm gonna do like a big tie-dye radiating out circle. So let's get to crafting. For this craft, you will need a canvas, some stencils from Stencil Me Pretty, which I'll put their information in the description below. Your choice of paints, something to put the paints on, and your choice of brushes. I like to keep them in this little milk jar. It's super cute. But you'll also need some water too. Just throwing it out there. I'm gonna let that dry for about half an hour to an hour. Hopefully that'll be enough time, and then I will be right back. Okay, and I'm back. This is finally dried. There are a few spots that are still a little damp just because they're thick. They're thick, boy. Oh no, I'm about to do next, which is going to be the stencils! Yay! What we've all been waiting for. So I have three options. At first I was thinking of combining some of them, but I don't want to make this too busy. So I think what I'm going to do is just make it an inspirational quote kind of thing. Okay guys, so I just finished this. Let's take this off. Let's not fuck it up. Oh, that looks beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna go get some Mother's Day food for my mom, and I'll be back once this is dried. Okay guys, I'm back, and it is dry, and it looks really good. I'm really excited how this came out. I'm hoping that the glitter will be just as easy to apply. Okay guys, now for the final step. Time to take this off, and then you just let it dry and you should be done. So wish me luck. Count your blessings and make your blessings count. I think it turned out really cool. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And let me know if you guys like doing arts and crafts with me. And if you do, suggest another craft for me to do in the comments below. I didn't get to use the other 2 stencils that I had planned, so maybe I will think of another project to do later. But I'm gonna go and let this dry and go watch a movie with my family for Mother's Day. Hope you guys are having a great Mother's Day with your family if you can spend time with them during quarantine. Love you guys so much. Thank you guys for staying tuned. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. Tap that bell to see when I make new videos every single Wednesday. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you. Bye!